Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Realme 12 Plus. So at the start, always check your TND mode. So check that you have this feature deactivated. The next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Let's start from the notifications. Of course, you have to switch it on if you have this switcher deactivated. Check also the lock screen and banner. In the next step, open the additional settings and check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the data usage and turn on the background data. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage usage and choose clear data. Tap on the delete. After that, log in again to the WhatsApp and check your messages. In the last step, you can also try to reset your network settings, so open the settings, go to the additional settings and choose last option. Choose the network settings in the reset phone and tap on the reset network settings button. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.